பிரிவாசரணம். தெய்வத்தின் குரல் புக் 1. அம்பாளின் பல வடிவங்கள். The many forms of Ambal. Pranavam, the syllable of Omkara, is the spring or source of all mantras. From it came into being the entire universe of names and forms. Nadatmike Ambal is Pranavam. Pranavam is the name of a combination of three letters A, U and M, or in Sanskrit it is A, U and Ma. Together it is chanted as Aum or as Om. A represents creation, U is maintenance and M is destruction or the Samhara. So Pranavam, Om, stands for the job of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. This itself, if started with the letter U instead of A, which is Ambal's main concern of looking after her children, U as in maintenance, it becomes UMA, that is Uma. Upanishad calls her Uma Haimavati. In the very first shloka of Saundarya Lahari, starting with the words Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yati Bhavati Shaktaha, our Acharya says, Amma Shakti, Parameshwara himself is capable of any moment only when he is with you. Without you, he is incapable. Since it is everything, Brahman is not capable of knowing anything. Still, in this world, there is so much knowledge and movement. In the entire cosmos, starting from the movement of stars and galaxies down to the oscillations of the electrons, everything is ever moving. Not to talk of our minds, which is forever oscillating. All this knowledge and movements seems to have come into the Brahman somehow. When we separately identify Brahman as Shivam and Shakti, then Acharya's statement, Amma, it is you who is making Shiva move, becomes more meaningful. The world that is not there is from her only. Ya Ma, what is not, is Maya, that is Maya. It is again she who can remove the Maya from our minds. All the seen world is her doing or herself. Still, when our minds become still, in some special rupa of hers, dhyanam or meditation is effective. The vast, wide, shapeless space that accommodates all that is seemingly there is also our pranashakti or breath. Space, air, fire, water and earth is herself, just her forms. The manas or mind is also her. In another shloka, Acharya says that night and day are her forms only. In day, the sun's rays give all the energy for all earth. All plants receive chlorophyll from it only, and all food is from that. All living things either eat plants or plant products, or eat what eat the plants and plant products. In the night, the moon showers its own nourishment. Night and day, sun and moon are also her forms only. Other than all shapes and forms, she is also all sounds, speech and thoughts. Especially mantra rupas or esoteric chants are also her forms. These are subtle forms. For common people like us, she is in sthula rupa or gross forms as Lalita, Durga, Bhuvaneshwari and so on. These forms, visible to our eyes in many sacred temples and holy places, as the ever beneficent Vigraha Murtis, are energizing and ennobling millions of devotees. In North Himachal, born as the Parvata Rajakumari, she is showering her largesse as Kanyakumari in the deep south. Known as Bhagavati in Kerala, Chamundishwari in Karnataka, Kamakshi in Kanchipuram, Meenakshi in Madurai, Jnanambal in Kalahasti, Brahmarambika in Srisailam, Tulaja Bhavani in Maharashtra, Ambaji in Gujarat, Jwalamukhi in Punjab, Vindhyavasini in Uttar Pradesh, Vaishnavi in Jammu, Kshira Bhavani in Kashmir, Kali in Bengal, Mai Hardevi in Madhya Pradesh, and as Kamakhya in Assam. She has taken many shapes and forms for sake of the common folks, the list being evidently incomplete. She is forever showering her blessings on all of us in the entire length and breadth of what is India. Periyava Sharanam.